Hi and welcome. Today we're looking at Sorel boots. They're called Ankeny 2 boot WP. The color is tobacco black, and this is size 11 UK, 45 Europe, and 12 if you are from USA. They're made in Vietnam. These are some of the addresses where of their HQ, probably in different countries. And let's have a look inside. Really nice packed. Do like this separation. Let's just take them out and put this away because it takes all my space. Right, so we have the sorel.com, insulated, waterproof. That's really good to hear. And this is how they look like. That's the sole. I do like that you have this hook. It's very helpful when you try to put them on. The shoelaces are quite nice and good quality. I can see that in here it's glued all around, and then you also have this raised rubber base, so you could probably definitely go up to here, and then if it happens to go up to here, you should still be okay. More than that, I think it will start going in the water. This is quite hard, and it does say waterproof in there, Sorel on the back. And let's just take one out. Very nicely presented. And as you can see, it has two hooks in here, so you could do the knot a bit lower or even lower, depends how you want. So let's just do that, and let's remove this. Really nicely presented. And inside is made of this fleece kind of material, and it's padded, same as in here. And right down the bottom it has oh, that's quite a lot of sponge, and funny enough, it actually seems quite comfortable when you push your your thumb. So let's just take this out, see if you can see more inside. Not sure if you can see. It's a bit of glue. What is that? Oh, yeah, probably some glue from when they've been produced. But yeah, so first of all, I want to say that this might attract a lot of lime scale or all kind of stuff from your socks. Depends what socks you have. Then down the bottom in here, it's actually something harder. So up to this area, it's comfortable and with this fleece material. And then inside in here is harder on the back, kind of like when you have shoes. Then you get this sole, which is quite nice and padded, and then obviously you get that. I'll be curious to see how this bends when you walk. So it looks like the upper bit is made of leather and some other materials, synthetic. Inside is synthetic. Not sure if that's for the sole, but yeah. So I'm gonna show a little bit how they look like while I have them on. Yeah, guys, so it was a bit of a struggle to put them on, but once they're on, they're on. So that's how they look like. They do fit well, and they feel more like some boots, like wheelies, as you can see. And when you kind of walk, they do bend like that. So one thing to say is, like, they're quite hard to put on. That could be also the way my feet are. I feel like there's a bit of a restriction somewhere in here on the top, and but once they're on, they're very comfortable. And as you can see, the shoelaces have some reflective band inside, so that's quite cool actually in the dark. And otherwise they feel very comfortable, and yeah, I can't complain. Guys. Look at them, and from the side, yeah, put the light, and from the back they do look like that. So yeah, thank you for watching.